Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about Wave Finance. Before we get into the specifics, I want to ask you a question. What if you could save time and money on your business finances? I know that sounds too good to be true, but it's actually possible with Wave Finance. Wave is a cloud-based accounting and bookkeeping platform that's designed to help small businesses save time and money. In this video, I'm going to show you how Wave can benefit your business. What is Wave Finance? Wave is a cloud-based accounting and bookkeeping platform that's designed to help small businesses save time and money. Wave offers a variety of features, including income and expense tracking, invoicing, tax preparation, payroll, cash flow management. Wave is easy to use and affordable. It's a great option for small businesses that are looking for a comprehensive accounting solution. How can Wave benefit your business? There are a number of ways that Wave can benefit your business. Here are a few of the most important. Save time. Save money. Improve accuracy. Increase efficiency. Get better insights into your finances. Let's take a closer look at each of these benefits. Save time. Wave is a cloud-based platform, so you can access it from anywhere, at any time. This means that you can work on your finances from your office, your home, or even on the go. Wave is also very easy to use. There's no need to be an accounting expert to use Wave. The platform is designed to be intuitive and user-friendly. As a result, Wave can help you save a lot of time on your accounting and bookkeeping tasks. Save money. Wave is a very affordable accounting solution. There are no hidden fees or costs. In addition, Wave offers a free plan for small businesses. This plan includes basic accounting features such as income and expense tracking and invoicing. If you're looking for a more comprehensive solution, you can upgrade to one of Wave's paid plans. These plans start at just $15 per month. Improve accuracy. Wave is a very accurate accounting platform. This is because Wave uses double-entry accounting. Double-entry accounting is a tried-and-true method for ensuring that your books are accurate. In addition, Wave has a number of features that can help you avoid errors. For example, Wave can automatically generate invoices and track your expenses. Increase efficiency. Wave can help you increase your efficiency by automating a number of tasks. For example, Wave can automatically generate invoices and track your expenses. Wave can also help you stay organized by providing you with a central location for all of your financial information. Get better insights into your finances. Wave can help you get better insights into your finances by providing you with a variety of reports and dashboards. For example, Wave can show you how much money you've made and spent over time. Wave can also show you your cash flow trends. What types of businesses can use Wave? Wave is a great option for small businesses of all types. However, Wave is particularly well suited for the following types of businesses: freelancers and consultants, retailers, service providers, nonprofits. These businesses often have simple financial needs and budgets. Wave is a great way to manage their finances without having to hire a full-time accountant. How to get started with Wave? If you're interested in using Wave, you can sign up for a free account today. Once you've signed up for an account, you can start using Wave immediately. Wave is a great accounting and bookkeeping solution for small businesses. Wave is easy to use, affordable, and accurate. Wave can help you save time, money, and improve your efficiency. If you're looking for a way to manage your finances more effectively, I highly recommend giving Wave a try. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. I'll be back next week with another